I want to thank you, all of my followers, subscribers. Thank you so much for being here and honoring my tarot channel, Spanish and English channels. In English, it's Celia's Tarot. In Spanish, it's Lecturas del Tarot con Celia. So I want to thank you all for being here and for winning this Oscar that does not stop moving. So weird. It must be the energies around us that it's moving so much. Okay, there you go. Just stand still. What's his name again? Oscar. Okay. Oscar, stand still, please. But I just want to thank you all for being a part of my journey so far and for honoring me in winning this Mr. Oscar. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.